We need to talk about XRP immediately because the market is throwing some heavy mixed signals our way. Just a short while ago, the entire community was celebrating as the Senate Banking Committee officially advanced the Clarity Act. That massive legislative win sent shockwaves through the crypto space and pushed XRP into an absolute frenzy, launching the price all the way up toward the local high near the $1.50 region. But as we hit this weekend, things have changed. The explosive momentum has cooled down significantly, and a prominent market analyst here on X named ChartNerd just confirmed some clear signals or clear signs of weakness in the short-term price action. According to the title of our news right here from Times Tabloid, it says here, signs of XRP weakness confirmed. Here's what is coming. So, is this just a temporary breather before the next massive leg up, or are we looking at a deeper correction that could shake out the weak hands? So in this video, we are going to talk about where the market is heading and breaking down the exact lines in the sand we need to protect. So let's get straight into the fact. So let's start with our very first question about why did the $1.50 hype engine suddenly lose its steam? So let's just highlight this part. The push to $1.50 felt amazing, but the reality is that the market got heavily exhausted at the top. ChartNerd recently pointed out on X that shortly after the massive rally, XRP's upward momentum began to fade, leading to a recent decline that has traders on high alert. In my opinion, this pullback is completely normal after such a massive fundamental pump. You can't expect an asset to just fly to the moon in a straight line without taking a break. When the news about the Clarity Act moving forward dropped, retail buyers FOMO'd in hard, pushing the price straight into heavy profit-taking territories. So to me, this cooling off period is just the market resetting expectations. The hype got ahead of the actual implementation of the law, and now we are seeing the natural correction. So, what is the critical guardrail that's keeping the bulls alive? With the price hovering just above $1.30 mark or price over this weekend, all eyes are locked on a single make or break price zone. According to ChartNerd's analysis, the $1.30 region right here, this $1.30 region is the absolute most critical guardrail for relief right now. So in my opinion, if you are going to ask me, $1.30 is the line in the sand where the bulls must draw a hard boundary. We have tested this specific area multiple times during our previous consolidation phases, and it has successfully held its ground every single time. If the buyers can firmly sustain the price above 1.30, it will completely prevent a catastrophic slide and give the market enough time to build a brand new launch pad. But if we break below the $1.30, it is going to be a stressful week for short-term traders. So, can XRP pull off a major comeback before this month of June? Right now, the price action is getting incredibly tight as we head toward the very end of this month of May. The upper $1.50 region remains the ultimate wall of resistance that we have to shatter to confirm the macro bull market. In my own personal opinion, I strongly believe the market isn't over yet. Even though ChartNerd confirmed signs of short-term weakness, the fact that XRP has managed to hold steady above $1.30 throughout the weekend gives me a lot of hope for the immediate future. The bears tried their best to dump the price after the $1.50 rejection, but they couldn't break the major baseline. This tells me there are deep pocketed buyers sitting at $1.30 waiting to gobble up every single tip. So, what is the smart trading strategy moving forward? We are officially entering a waiting game as the market processes the legal updates from Washington and the current price consolidation. So my personal strategy right now is very simple. Do not panic sell your bag based on short-term weekend noise. The fundamentals behind the Clarity Act are still fully intact, and that is what will drive the long-term value of the XRP ledger. So we need to watch the support level like a hawk. As long as that level holds, this weakness is just a temporary roadblock that's a much bigger journey. So this finally ends our video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.